Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2018 Toyota RAV4. We're going to go over how you'd replace this outer assembly if you need to replace it because it's cracked or broken, and how you do that. So first you would pop the trunk and raise it up. It gives you access to two bolts that are right here, and you would remove those. Those are a size 10mm bolt, and you remove those two bolts. Once those two bolts are removed, then you can grip with your hand here and here and just kind of rock and pull back, and you can pull this away. And then we've got two electrical connectors in here, and this grommet connection down here we'll have to get out, but twist out these electric for the lights. And then this is just to hold the light electric box in there, and it goes right down there and it just pushes in there. So that's how you remove your outer tail light assembly, to be able to replace it if you need to because it's cracked or broken. And then when you've got your new one, you just go through the reverse order and put your lights in. Make sure you put the clear one up on top because that's got the amber color, or not the amber, it's got the red color, brake light color, and then the amber one we want to put in the bottom. So we'll put the you got your new one, twist it a quarter turn to the right, put the bottom one in, quarter turn to the right, and just put that little clip back in to hold the wire if you want to. And then one last thing, this here has a channel, you can see there, that lines up with a little white push pin right here, and that's what holds it to the side of the car. And then this and this are where two of the color grommet, these pins, they lock in, and that's kind of what holds it in. And then we have screws that hold it in even tighter. So we've got it lined up, and now you're just going to press it and see it's locked in and snapped in there. Then we're going to put the two 10mm bolts in and tighten those up. And so that's how you replace your outer assembly on your 2018 Toyota RAV4. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.